Question number 1. Which of the following is a famous astronomical science book? Option number B. Surya Siddhant. Question number 2. Who wrote the book Unbreakable, an autobiography? Option number B. Mary Kom. 3. Who wrote the book Jivan Smriti? Option number D. Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 4. The author of the book Wealth of Nations? Option number C. Adam Smith. 5. Who is the author of the book Lilavati? Option number C. Bhaskaracharya. 6. Which Indian CM wrote his autobiography titled My Unforgettable Memories? Option number C. Mamata Banerjee. 7. Name the author of the book The Incredible Adventure of Professor Shanku. The Incredible Adventure of Professor Shanku. Option number D. Satyajit Ray. Question number 8. The author of The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari is dash. Option number B. Robin Sharma. 9. R.K. Narayan is famous for his book dash. Option number C. Malgudi Days. 10. Name the writer of the book One Life is Not Enough. Option number C. Natwar Singh. 11. Which of these is not a novel written by Premchand? Option number D. Dipshika. 12. Systema Naturae was written by? Option number B. Carolus Linnaeus. 13. The Panchatantra fables are thought to be composed by A. Mullah Nasruddin, Vishnu Sharma, King Sudarshan, Tenali Raman. The Panchatantra fables are thought to be composed by option number A. Vishnu Sharma. B. Vishnu Sharma. Question number 14. Who is the author of To Kill a Mockingbird? Umberto Eco, Salman Rushdie, J.K. Rowling, Harper Lee. Right answer is option number C. D. Harper Lee. 15. Who is the author of the famous autobiography Dreaming Big, My Journey to Connect India? Option number B. Sam Pitroda. 16. Who wrote the novel The God of Small Things? Option number A. Arundhati Roy. 17. Who wrote the lyrical poem My Mother at 66? Option number C. Kamala Das. 18. Who wrote the novel The White Tiger? Option number D. Arvind Adiga. 19. Who among the following wrote the book Hind Swaraj? Option number A. Mahatma Gandhi. 20. The book The Taste of My Life was written by? Option number D. Yuvraj Singh. 21. Which of the following books is written by Megasthenes? Option number D. Indica. 22. Who wrote the famous Sanskrit play Swapnavasav Dattam? Option number D, Vas. 23. Who wrote the famous Bangla novel Pather Pachali? Option number A, Vibhuti Bhushan Bandyopadhyay. 24. Who is the writer of the book India Divided? India Divided. Option number D, Rajendra Prasad. 25. Name the creation of Devaki Nandan Khatri, which is considered to be the first authentic work of prose in Hindi. Name the creation of Devaki Nandan Khatri. Option number B is the right answer, Chandrakanta. 26. The Nice Guy Who Finished First is the biography of which famous sports person? Option number A, Rahul Dravid. 27. Name the book written by Mahatma Gandhi in 1909 that suggested the British rule would come to an end if Indians didn't cooperate with them. Name the book written by Mahatma Gandhi in 1909 that suggested the British rule would come to an end if Indians didn't cooperate with them. Option number B is the correct answer, Hind Swaraj. 28. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Literature for which book? Option number A, Gitanjali. 29. National song Vande Mataram, written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, is a part of which of these novels? Option number B, Anandamath. 30. Who wrote the medieval era epic poem Padmavat? Option number B, Malik Muhammad Jaisi. 31. Which of the following books won the Man Booker International Prize in the year 2019? Option number C, Celestial Bodies. 32. Who wrote the play Mudra Rakshas? Option number C, Vishaka Dutt. 33. Which Indian Prime Minister translated the epic Telugu novel into Hindi, which is named as Sahasra Fan? Option number D, P.V. Narasimha Rao. 34. Which of the following book authored by Jean Pierre Harrison is based on the biography of Kalpana Chawla? Option number B, The Age of Time. 35. Which one of the following books was written by Vishnu Sharma? Here option number B is the correct answer, Panchatantra. 36. Which author created the title Village of Malgudi as the backdrop for his stories of the title boy Swami? Option number D is the right answer, R.K. Narayan. 37. Who is R, the author of the book The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money? Option number D, John Maynard Keynes. 38. Who wrote the novel A Passage to India? Option number D, E.M. Forster. 39. Who among the following is the author of the book The Indian Struggle? Option number A, Subhash Chandra Bose. 40. Who wrote the book The Little Balance, La Balancita in 1586? Option number B, Galileo Galilei. 41. Who is the author of Early History of India? Option number A, Vincent Arthur Smith. 42. Name the famous Indian writer who has written novels like Untouchable and Coolie. Option number D, Mulk Raj Anand. 43. Who composed the Dashakumar Charita or Tales of 10 Princes? Option number B, Dandi. 44. What does the book Aryabhatta deal with? Option number D, astronomy. 45. Who has written and published a bunch of old letters? Option number D, Jawaharlal Nehru. 46. Which of the following plays Kalidas wrote? Option number C, Malavikagni 47. The Race of My Life is the autobiography of? Option number A, Milkha Singh. 48. Who wrote the book The Indian War of Independence 1857? Option number C, V.D. Savarkar. 49. The author giving detailed information about the kings of Kashmir was written by which of the following authors? Option number A, Kalhan. 50. Which of the following wrote a book based on ancient science in relation to medicines? Option number D, Charak. 51. Which of the following wrote the ancient scientific book on surgery? Option number B, Sushruta. 52. The book Polymorphic Gandhi was written by whom? Option number B, Anu Bandyopadhyay. 53. Who is the author of Natya Shastra? Option number D, Bharat Muni. Question number 54. Who has written the book An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations? Option number B, Adam Smith. 55. Which of the following is the famous composition of Aryabhatta? Option number C, Aryabhatti. 56. Who wrote the book Mahabhashya? B, Patanjali. 57. What is the subject of the book Ashtadhyayi written by Panini? Option number C, grammar. 58. Who was the author of the book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India? Easy question. Option number B, Dadabhai Naoroji. 59. Who is the author of Ramcharitmanas? Option number A, Tulsidas. 60. Name the celebrity who has authored Mr. Funnybones. Sorry, Mrs. Funnybones. Option number B, Twinkle Khanna. 61. Who is the author of the book Glimpses of World History? Option number D, Jawaharlal Nehru. 62. Who wrote the book India Wins Freedom? Option number B, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad. 63. Who authored the book Indica? Option number C, Megasthenes. 64. Who wrote the book The Archaeology of Ancient Indian Cities? The Archaeology of Ancient Indian Cities. Option number B, Dilip Kumar Chakrabarty. 65. Yoga Sutra was written by whom? Option number A, Patanjali. 66. Who wrote the book Brihat Samhita? Option number D, Barhamir. 67. Who wrote the book Hutum Pachar Naksha? Hutum Pachar Naksha. It's a Bengali book. Option number A, Kali Prasanna Singh. 68. Who wrote the book Neel Darpan? Option number C, Dinabandhu Mitra. 69. The book Amukta Mallada was written by whom? The book Amukta Mallada was written by whom? Option number B, Krishna Dev Rai. 70. The book Religion and Ideology of the Rebels of 1857 was written by? Option number D, Iqbal Hasan. 71. Name the author who has authored Tamil grammar book Agatyam or Akatyam. Option number D, Agastya. 72. Name the book that was written by Jayadev. Option number B, Git Govind. 73. Name the author who wrote the famous book called Panchatantra. Option number A, Vishnu Sharma. 74. Which of the following books was authored by Vishaka Datta? Option number A, Mudra Rakshas. 75. Name the famous literary personality who has authored the book named Raj Tarangini. Option number B, Kalhan. 76. Who among the following gave sharp criticism of imperialism termed as drain of wealth, which was a milestone in the mainstream Indian independence movement? Option number A, Dadabhai Naoroji. 77. Name the author who wrote the book Kavya Darsha. Option number A, Dandi. 78. Name the author who wrote the famous book on economics called Arthashastra. It's an easy question. Option number A, Kautila. 79. Who among the following wrote the novel Goran, which is considered a classical of modern Hindi literature? Option number B, Munshi Premchand. 80. Which Indian army officer has written the book titled Ready, Relevant and Resurgent, a blueprint for the transformation of India's military, which was unveiled by the Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in May 2025? Option number A, CDS General Anil Chauhan. 81. Which of the following authors penned the novel Midnight's Children, famous book for its fusion of historical narratives with elements of magical realism? Midnight's Children. Option number D, Salman Rushdie. 82. Which of the following Bengali writers composed the famous novel Anandamath? Option number D, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. 83. Which classical Sanskrit play was written by Kalidas? Option number C, Avigyan Shakuntalam. 84. Who wrote Git Govinda? I think it's a repeated question. Option number B is the right answer, Jayadev. 85. Which of the following has been written by Munshi Premchand? Option number C, Shiv Sadan. 86. Who wrote the great Indian literary works Meghdut and Avigyan Shakuntalam? Option number D, Kalidas. 87. Who wrote the Brihat Samhita, a collection of scientific information on diverse subjects? Option number C, Barhamir. 88. Who wrote the famous book Ignited Minds? Option number D, APJ Abdul Kalam. 89. The Red Data book provides data on dash. Option number B, endangered plants and animals. 90. Who is the author of the Panchatantra collection of fables? Option number C, Vishnu Sharma. 91. Flights, a novel about travel in 21st century and human anatomy, is written by which of the following Booker Prize winner 2018 writers? Option number D, Olga Tokarczuk. 92. Rangbhumi, Godan, Gaban and Vardhan are the novels written by? Option number C, Munshi Premchand. 93. Ratnavali was written by? Option number C, Harshavardhan. 94. The novel Tamas has been written by? Option number C, Fisham Shahani. 95. Nirmala was a fiction novel written by? Option number C, Munshi Premchand. 96. Who is known as the Martin Luther of India? Option number D, Dayanand Saraswati. 97. In which book did Mahatma Gandhi write that the British rule in India was the result of cooperation extended by Indians? Option number A, Hindu Swaraj. 98. Who wrote the book Early Indus Civilization in 1984? Option number C, Ernest Mackay. 99. Who was the author of Padmavat? Option number C, Malik Muhammad Jaisi. 100. Malala has penned a book on refugee girl titled? Option number A, We Are Displaced. It's our homework. Who wrote the book Words of Freedom, Ideas of a Nation? You have to answer up this question in the comment section. Okay. So that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Also, you can get PDF from my Telegram channel. The link in the description. Alright. Keep watching, keep learning. See you in the next video. Thank you.